Good morning, preppers.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Happy prepping day to you.
Yay.
This time of year is amazing when holidays come up, especially like Thanksgiving, and it comes to prepping and preparedness.
Great deals.
Really great deals. In fact, we talk about all the time, if you can actually get stuff for half price, invest all that money in the item, you get twice as much, and that way you can stockpile it away. So looking through some different types of ads and looking through some of the different things that we like to prep, we've come up with a list of 10 things that you're going to want to hoard right now because, well, now's the time.
It is. It's on sale.
All right, number one, turkey.
Turkey. That's a big one.
I'm a turkey fanatic.
He is.
Honestly, I mean, I love chicken. I really love steak. But if somebody said that's all you can have is turkey the rest of your life, I'd be okay with that.
Yeah.
You?
No.
I love turkey, especially with gravy.
That
turkey
is
and gravy
nice.
is a beautiful thing. But of course, right now, I mean, you get turkey throughout the year, and we'll eat turkey throughout the year because it's an inexpensive meat compared to other meats.
That feeds a lot.
And exactly, it makes your house smell like it's a beautiful place.
Like Thanksgiving. Every day.
Exactly. So I kind of give you some little numbers. For a 20-pound turkey, maybe 21 pounds, around there somewhere, after you're done with it, you'll get about 8 pounds of meat.
That's pretty good.
Sometimes even 9. You can actually get for that up to 10 pounds depending on how meaty that turkey is. But for us, it's not even just that, but then you can continue on and make bone broth from it too.
Yes.
So it's not just the meat.
Multi-purpose. And then you can feed the other things to your animals as well.
Right, exactly.
So not
like,
the bones.
Like the dogs.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, the dogs, every time we like carve the turkey up, they're like sitting there, please let me have some. So if you're looking at $1 a pound for a turkey, a lot of times you can get it for like $1.10 a pound around there.
Yeah.
You're looking at about $2.50 per pound.
That's pretty good.
When you're done with it.
Yeah.
Now, if it's on sale, like right now, Meijer, I don't know if there's a Meijer near you, 55 cents a pound.
That's amazing.
I know, that's like really
I was
cheap.
excited when I got ours for $1.30 a pound.
Yeah, and Kroger, if you have a Kroger near you, that's 59 cents a pound.
Wow.
And that's amazing considering we're supposedly in a turkey shortage right now. That's what I read in the news, and I passed it along to you. So we picked up some extra turkeys, but we're going to pick up some more.
We are.
You know, especially from Meijer. Unfortunately, they closed the Kroger near us.
I know.
The closest one's like in Midland, so it's like
Yeah,
an
it's
hour
quite a
away.
ways.
All right, so give you an idea what we're looking at. $1.25 a pound of actual meat. We're not even talking about the bones. And if you get those like cans of chicken that we always recommend, those come out to be upwards of $3 to $4 a pound.
Oh, okay.
So definitely better if you can do that. With the turkey, of course, you're going to have to find a way to can it. Well, I mean, not to find a way, you'll have to get a canner.
Yeah, hopefully you guys are canning anyways.
Yeah, exactly. So you can really set aside a lot of turkey. We actually have one of our friends, I won't mention any names, 55 cents a pound for a turkey. She bought 10 turkeys. 10 of them.
That's amazing.
I know. But she is like a hardcore prepper. We prep too, but that's a lot of prepping.
That's a lot of time.
All right, next up, canned veggies.
This is the perfect time, guys. You go anywhere, even if at Target, even expensive places like Target, you can find deals on vegetables.
Yeah. And we're usually looking at, I think Walmart, if I recall, their great value is like 58 cents a can, I think
so.
for just the regular size can. And they're having sales right now for corn and green beans, 50 cents a can. So it's not a huge amount off, but it's every little bit helps.
It does.
And Aldi has it for 49 cents a can.
Ooh, Aldi beets.
And I've talked about this nutritionally before too. Let's ignore the fact that I've said this many times that canned food lasts forever. A can of corn will last forever for you. But a lot of people think there's a lot of preservatives in veggies. There's not. It's just water and salt. Things you need anyway.
Yep.
Okay? I always supposed to say disclaimer, check with your doctor before you eat salty stuff. But salt, we need salt in our diet. Nutrition-wise, they actually did a study and found that in today's produce, from the produce section of a grocery store, compared to a can, has the exact same nutrition.
Really?
Yeah, so don't be down on canned food. Canned food works really well. But now's the time to get your canned veggies. 50 cents or 49 cents a can.
Stock up.
Really stock up on them. Next up, cream of mushroom and cream of chicken soups.
Yes.
Cream soups.
The cream soups, yeah.
What do we use them for? Green bean casserole, right?
Mostly for casseroles. I mean, you can make it. Actually, people do eat it with soup, but I typically make that from scratch. But it's easier to make it like green bean casserole. It's easier to have cream of mushroom soup with it. So stock up on that. They're always on sale this season.
I don't think they'll last forever in those containers.
I don't
You can
think
actually
so.
get cans of those, but sometimes they're in those like little cardboard containers.
Yeah.
Right? No. I'm thinking of something else.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of broth and stuff.
Yeah, no. The cans of cream of mushroom and cream
That's
thing,
it.
they last a couple years as it is in the can. So
Walmart had them for 68 cents, and they're on sale this week for 54 cents. So that's a pretty good
Yeah,
savings.
that's a good savings.
Kroger has the Campbell's one, which I don't think we ever buy the Campbell's one.
I don't typically buy Campbell's.
That's 89 cents a can.
But if that's what you buy, that's still on sale. Because
Right.
last time I checked Campbell's, it was $1.06 a can. So, I mean, that's saving right there.
Right. Potatoes.
Potato flakes.
Yeah, and also just sweet potatoes.
Or just potato in the bag. Like, they're all on sale.
Aldi has 55 cents a pound for sweet potatoes.
That's amazing.
If we weren't on keto,
I know.
you'd be attacking that right now.
I love sweet potatoes.
But we always talk about potato flakes, which are potatoes. And I mean, if you're going to store it away, again, you just simply need a Mylar bag and put them in there. I mean, get the ones without butter for storage. It's always better that way. But $3.24 at Walmart for a box of them.
That's pretty
And I
good.
think that's the Idahoan brand.
Is it?
But potato flakes are great for prepping
They
for
are.
storage. So definitely stock up a lot in potato flakes because it's a great prepper item. Because honestly, you really can just add water to it to make it good.
I add garlic salt and then I add a scoop of sour cream and
And some butter, too.
And butter, and it really adds like you're eating regular
Yeah.
potatoes.
But if crap hits the fan, water. That's all you really need. You might call me nuts.
Oh,
That's the next section, nuts.
This is the perfect time to buy nuts. They're always on sale. Pecans, walnuts, all of them. Now, nuts don't store forever, but this is a perfect time to stock up on them. They're great for protein.
If you put them in a Mylar bag with oxygen absorber, they'll last almost indefinitely. They'll
Do
last
they?
a long time. But yeah, walnuts and pecans are really good things.
You can find them on sale. Costco, BJ, Sam's, all of them are on sale around this time. So
Of
it's
course,
perfect.
people like to bake with them, so
They do.
It's really
Pecan
good prices
pie.
on those.
Yeah.
Same thing with fruit. I'm not talking about in the can, but just actual fruit. It's harvest season,
It is.
and so you should be able to find some apples and pears and what else on sale right now?
I think it's just really apples and pear season right now.
Yeah, of
and
course.
pumpkins
Pumpkins.
and squash. A lot of the gourds are done for the season, and you can find abundance of those everywhere.
So I don't have specific things for nuts and apples and pears and stuff at grocery stores that, as far as good prices go, but shop around because you'll be able to find some. All right, back to like Thanksgiving goodness, stuffing.
Stuffing, yes. Box of stuffing right now is very, very cheap.
At Walmart, the Stovetop brand, which of course is the name brand, is on sale for $1.98.
Wow.
But the Walmart brand is 88 cents.
Ooh, that's a
And
really good deal.
The Aldi brand, if you have an Aldi near you, 75 cents a box.
That's amazing for stuffing.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, you can't even get a loaf of bread for that.
Stuffing is like happiness
It
next
is.
to the turkey, but
Well, we make our own stuffing, so.
yeah.
But that's a great prep.
All right, so back to like apple pies and such. Of course, right now is a great time to get canned pumpkin and canned apples and canned all those things already prepared for you.
Yeah.
If you don't can that stuff yourself.
Exactly.
I don't have any specific sales, but look around because you'll find those on sale as well because something about Thanksgiving and pumpkin pie. Mm-hmm. It's just a beautiful time. Evaporated milk. Evaporated milk will certainly not last forever. Maybe a year after the expiration date.
Okay.
At that. So evaporated milk, I don't have any specific sales on those ones either, but those go on sale at this time of year also. So keep an eye on your ads because I'm sure you'll find some. And of course, in the comments below, if you see these ads, put them down there, or even better yet, our Facebook page.
Yes,
the
Goshen
Goshen Prepping Facebook page. I
Yep.
got it this time. We all share these different prices and everything on stuff, so you can really save up on stuff. All right, saving the best for last. Broth.
Yes.
Chicken broth, beef broth.
Yep.
Sometimes there's vegetable broth.
They do have
don't
vegetable broth. I've bought that many times.
And now is the time to save up on the broths. Walmart, their chicken and beef broth, this may be the normal price. It's $1 a carton. And it's not the can, it's like, that's the one I was talking
That
about.
was
It's
like the carton looking. Yeah.
Right, the carton looking one. And Kroger has, I think it's chicken and beef broth, 79 cents a can.
That's really good.
And that's Swanson, I think was the brand for that one.
Oh, so it's not even generic. It's
Right.
actually named.
Yeah,
Wow,
exactly.
that's really good.
Yeah, so lots of things to stock up on now, guys. I really can't stress this enough that, keeping a keen eye to be thrifty on ads is a way you can stock up and save money. Because again, you may only be able to buy 10 things normally, but since you buy them on sale, you might be able to get 15 or 20
Yeah,
things,
exactly.
depending on what the item is. And so now is the best time of the year to stock up with these things. And we're going to have far more not ads. This is not an ad, this is a video. Far more videos talking about some things you can stock up on.
Yeah.
Right now, this one's obviously focused on the 10 top foods you should hoard. And you should hoard them right now. Guys, don't get hung up on the word hoard.
Yeah.
There's the medical term, which people have a pathological condition, and then there's the other term, which just means buy a lot, obviously.
And if you live up north like we do, I mean, it's great. Then you don't have to go to the grocery store if you have extra cans. So
And dig through the snow.
Exactly.
Like we always have to. Okay, in the comments below, or on our Facebook page, put some of the decent deals that you found as well.
Exactly. Sure.
Share along, yeah, because we're a community and we want to all help each other out. Thanks for watching.